Good morning, students. Today we'll see engineering metrology subject. This subject is most important subject in mechanical engineering branch. It has 70 marks and 48 hours. This subject contains total 6 chapters. Out of that, today we'll see chapter number first, that is Introduction to Metrology. This chapter is for total 10 marks. It contains basics of metrology. So, metrology. Metrology, this word is derived from two Greek words, that is metro and logi. Metro means measurement and logi means science. That means metrology is the science of measurement. It is a study of different measuring instrument for finding accuracy, errors and sources of errors. That is the metrology. So let's see objectives of metrology. The first and most important objective, it can be used for selection of proper measuring instruments in industry. As we know, there are the different instruments are used in industry for different purposes. So metrology, that means with the help of metrology we can use proper we can select proper instrument in industry. Then objective of metrology is to decide proper measuring standards, then to minimize cost of inspection, to decide tolerance zone, to identify sources of errors, to achieve standardization. So these are the some objectives of metrology. Then there are different types of metrology. So first one is legal metrology, scientific metrology, then deterministic metrology, and last one industrial metrology. So these are the different types of metrology. First one is legal metrology. It is a part of metrology which relates with units of measurement. Legal metrology is directed by organization like NSLM, National Service of Legal Metrology. Legal metrology plays a vital role in maintaining uniformity of measurement throughout the world. IOWM, International Organization of Weight and Measures, also helps to maintain uniformity throughout the world. So this is legal metrology, and two organizations works in legal metrology. Then second one is scientific metrology. It is related with measurement done to validate the theories of nature. It is also used in to increase basic knowledge about science. In this, new measuring technologies and scientific methods are developed. So in industries there are, if there are some research, then the scientific methodology are used in that case. So these are the two types of methodology: legal methodology and scientific methodology. So in our next lecture we'll see different types of methodology, and then inspection. What is inspection?